Okay, so today we are going to solve this LeetCode problem, calculate money in LeetCode Bank. And this is also today's POTD for the 6th of December. So let's see what problem says. So now Hershey want to save some money for his first car. Okay, he puts money in the LeetCode Bank every day. He starts by putting $1 on Monday, the first day. Every day from Tuesday to Sunday, he will put $1 more than the day before. Okay, got it. On every subsequent Monday, he will be putting $1 more than the previous Monday. Got it. Given and return the total amount of money he will have in LeetCode Bank at the end of the nth day. Okay. So now, first of all, what the problem is trying to convey to us is that there is one person, that is Hershey. He wants to save some money, and in order to save the money, he's going to put his money in bank, and he will start putting his money in the bank from Monday. And on Monday, he will be putting $1 on the first day. Now, after Monday, from Tuesday to Sunday, he's going to put $1 into the bank once again. But here is one thing, that on the subsequent days, that is from Tuesday to Sunday, he will be increasing his amount by $1. So what does it mean is, let's say on Monday he has deposited $1. So on Tuesday he's going to deposit $2. On Wednesday he's going to deposit $3, and so on till the Sunday. So he will be increasing his amount that he is depositing by $1 on subsequent day. Okay. We have been told that on the next Monday, means suppose this is 1 week from Monday to Sunday, and let's say there is another week after this, after the completion of this Sunday, that is another Monday. Let me call it as Monday 2. Monday 2, he will be depositing some money. That money will be equal to whatever money he has deposited in previous Monday, whatever money he has deposited in previous Monday plus of $1. So he will increase the amount of deposit on starting of every Monday of every week by $1, whatever he has deposited in previous Monday. It That was the question. I hope the question is clear. Now we will be moving forward with the example that they have given. We will try to understand those example. We will try to form some intuition and some logic, and after that we will be going to code it. First example that is given to us is n is equal to 4. Okay, so what is n? N means the days. Okay, so n given here is the number of days, and what we have to return is that on the nth day, that is on the nth day, how much money, how much money this person has deposited into the bank. So for this, let us first of all simply see how we are getting 10. So on the first day, he will be depositing $1. On the second day, as per the question, that he will be increasing his amount in the subsequent days by $1. So on Tuesday, that is on the second day, he will be increasing the amount to $2. So he will be depositing 2. Then on the third day, similarly 3, and on the fourth day, it will again increase by 1. So 4. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So that's why we are getting answer as 10. Let's consider one more example which is also given to us, so in question only, that is n is equal to 10. So for what is going to happen, we will be having 1 week starting from Monday, that is starting from 1 till 7. So we'll be having this whole 1 week. So on the first day of the week, that is on Monday, he will be transferring $1 to the bank. Then on the second day $2, third day $3, $4, and so on till Sunday. And on Sunday he will be transferring $7. So let me just complete this, 5 plus 6. So this whole week is completed. Now after completion of this whole week, that is after 7 days, still we have 3 days remaining, since our n is equal to 10. So in this case, again on another Monday, that so in the next week, let me call it as the next Monday. On next Monday, what he will do, he will just increase the amount whatever he has deposited in his previous Monday by $1. So if we increase whatever he has deposited in the bank by $1, then on the next Monday, that is on the 8th day, he will be depositing $2. And similarly on the third day of the next week, he will be depositing $3. and on the third day of the next week he will be depositing $4. So if we add all of this, so 127 and then 234, we will get answer as 37. Okay, so I hope that examples are clear. Now let us move on to the logic part. How we can solve this question. So if you look at the question, you will find out that only two things are happening. That is, if we are in the particular week, let's say we are in particular week, let's say week nth, we are in some particular nth week, then in the nth week, if we are moving forward, we will be only increasing our amount by +1, right? But if we are changing the week, let's say if the number of days which are given to us is greater than 7, let's say number 8, it marks the beginning of the new week. So whenever it marks the beginning of the new week, we have to deposit the money which is equal to whatever money we have deposited in previous week's Monday +1. And after that, once we are again in this week with this value, we can move forward to the subsequent days of this particular week by increasing amount plus is equal to 1. So that was it. That was the simple logic that we will be using. So now we are going to code our logic that we have just gone through. So for that, first of all, I will be making one variable answer and I will be initializing that variable answer with 0, and this variable will be containing the total amount that this person will deposit by end of the nth day. So this answer variable will be containing that, and at the end of the day we have to return this only. So I will be writing return answer, and in between we have to perform our logic. So first of all, we'll be traversing from each and every day, so from starting from the day 1 till nth day. And while traversing each and every day, we have to first of all make sure that if we are changing our week or not, and if we are changing our week, then when we are changing. So to keep track of those things, we have to make some few more variables. Let's say int, let me write int week number. So which week you are currently in. So to check that, I have made one variable that is week number, which will be initialized with the 1, since our initial will be starting from the first week. So our initial week number will be 1. Then another variable will be count day, and nt underscore day is equal to 8. At any point of time, it marks the beginning of the new week, and if it marks the beginning of the new week, then we have to do some changes over there. So that's why I have made this variable count day. We will be initializing with 1 since we are starting initially from the Monday of the first week, hence my count day variable will be initialized with the 1, and one more variable will be int amount that will be equal to 0. This amount particular ith day on which we are currently on that particular ith day, how much amount he will be going to deposit will be indicating by this variable, and this answer will indicate the total cumulative deposited value at the end of all the days, that is at the end of the nth day. So now in this for loop, while going through each and every day, let's say if at any point of time my count day variable is equal to 8. If it is 8 at any point of time, it marks the beginning of the new week, and it marks the beginning of the new week, and that day will be Monday. So on Monday, it has told us that on the Monday and that particular ith day, my amount will be equal to whatever is the week number. My week number is indicating the number of amount that that person has deposited in the previous week. So whatever he has deposited in the previous week plus $1 will be amount that he will be depositing today, that is on the next week's Monday. That's why I have written like that. So once I have done this, after this I will be adding this amount to my final answer, as and along with this I will be incrementing my week number with 1, and I will be resetting my count day to 2. Now why I'm resetting my count day to 2? Because since this is Monday when we are doing this kind of thing, so the another day that I will be facing will be Tuesday. So that's why I'm resetting my counter of day with 2 over here. And if this is not the case, going through a particular day in a particular week, So if I'm going inside one particular week, then my amount will be increased by plus is equal to 1, because on subsequent day it has already told in a particular week on subsequent day we'll be incrementing our amount by 1. So that's why I have written that amount plus is equal to 1, and I will be adding this amount to my final answer, as well as I will be linearly incrementing my count day by 1. So I guess that was it, which we discussed, and I hope this code will work. So let us try to submit. Okay, so yes, our code is accepted. So I hope you have understood this question as well as logic and this code. So yeah, that was it.